Welcome to Incav Medical. Today we are servicing a Sterrad All-Clear NX and a Sterrad NX. We already start the service on this Sterrad NX. As you can see, this is the old burned oil. Now we are replacing the door gasket. We need to put also a special silicone compound for a better vacuum seal. We already install new ultraviolet light bulb, new filter and other consumables components. Also, we already did plasma calibration, vacuum calibration, pressure adjustment on vaporizer in chamber, temperature test and more. At only 50 Celsius degrees, you can sterilize scopes, probes, lens, cameras, electronics, plastic parts, robotic parts and much more. As a final test, we need to run a standard cycle. This process will take around 30 minutes. Let's see what happened with our GoPro. Is finally done, and now we have a nice sterilized GoPro. And remember, at Incav Medical, we do service and repairs in all the Sterrad Plasma Sterilizers. Thanks for watching.